Yo, welcome back to the channel. Haven't really posted a new video in a while. Jumping straight into it though. I got this wheel off my YZ. Ever since I got it, it's had this spray paint on this. It's also on the exhaust. This came from Walmart with paint stripper, and I'm going to see if I can get it off. A few months ago, I spilled gas on this exhaust, and I realized it was spray paint and that it wasn't supposed to be black. I'm going to put some aircraft stripper on this and see what happens. Alright, gave it one more spray. Looks like this might do it this time. Anything that's left after this, I'll probably just, I don't know, scratch at it with my finger or something. It'll probably come off. I mean, personally, I think that looks a lot better. Still got little spots like that, but overall, I think it's a great look. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, so it's been a few days. It's been cold, but it's a little warm today. Actually, I'm not sure I would say it's warm, but it's warm enough. I'm gonna pull this exhaust off, and today I'm going to get this black paint off of it finally. Alright. Alright, well, that's off. Got a little rust there, but just like the rest of the bike, it's just got to be good enough. I definitely shouldn't be spraying as much, but it'll be alright. Oh wow. Alright, well, as you can see, the paint stripper, aircraft remover, whatever, is doing its job pretty easily. Like I said, whoever painted this, I don't know why they would do it. This is what we're working with so far. Getting somewhere. As y'all can see, most of the black, if not all of it, is off. I think it looks good. It ain't perfect, you know. It's old. It's an exhaust, but I think it looks really good. I'm gonna polish it up. I know I was talking more in the wheel part of the video, but I'm just out here chilling. Got this cleaned up. Just putting a little work in when I can. Didn't really feel like talking today much though, so just showing y'all what I'm doing. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. Definitely a lot better than it started, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna say that looks a lot better. I'm gonna say that looks a lot better than the silver just showing through some black spray paint that was flaking off.